Okay, we're up to question 11 now. So from the following list of data, so we've got our data sets there. We're looking at question A, what is the mode? Okay, mode is the most common of those numbers. If we go through and go, right, we have 1, 12, 19, only 1, 18, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so looking through there, 18 is the most common. So 18, 1 mark. Now the range, remember, that is from the highest to the lowest. So highest, take the lowest, will give us the range. So if I'm looking through my data, 23 is the highest. And looking here, 10 is the lowest. Okay, so the difference, the range between 23 take 10 is 13. So 1 mark there. Now this worth is 2 marks. So what is the median? Okay, the median is the middle number. You will get 1 mark by just putting this data into sequence from smallest to highest. So I'm going to go 10, working through, no 11s, there's a 12. Cross it out as we go, you won't make any mistakes. Next highest number is 15. Okay, no 16. Okay, we have a 17 and we have another 17. Okay, now we have 18, 18, 18, 19, 20, 23. Okay, you will get 1 mark for just doing that. But now what is the median? Okay, median is the middle number. So substitute 1, out, 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 out. We are left with 1 in the middle. 18 is the median. That is our second mark. Now, what is the mean? What is mean? Is the average. This is worth 3 marks. So to get the average, I need to add all of these together. So I get my calculator. Starting, so you can turn it on. Turning it on. So looking through, I'm going to go 10. Plus 12, plus 15, plus 17, plus 17, plus 18, plus 18, plus 18, plus 19, plus 20, plus 23 equals. Okay, so all of those added up equals 187. So I'd give a mark for that. And then I'm going to divide 187 by the number of entries, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Divide that by 11. So with my calculator, 187 divided by 11 equals 17. So mean equals 17. Okay, mark for that working and the mark for the answer for complete marks. Okay, question 12. From the following list of data, okay, now we've got decimal places here, and we've got, looking at this number here is the only whole number. So what is the most common? Okay, most common, as we know, mode. So looking here, we've got 35, 35, 35, and we've got 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.35. What is the range? We've gone through that in the last. Now we've got this large one here, 10.28. Take our smallest in our decimals. Remember, look at our tenths. Would be 0.15 is way smaller than 0.17. So if I go 10.28 on the calculator, take 0.15, our range equals 10.13. Okay, that was 1 mark for back here. Now the median. Now this one's a bit tricky. We've got to put this into a sequence. Okay, so 0.15 is our smallest, 0.17, working up in our tenths. So now I've got ones, okay, into our twos. Okay, so we've got 0.22, 0.22, no more twos. Okay, we've got a 3, 0.35, 0.35, 0.35, 0.38, then we're left 0.62 and 10.28. Okay, same middle number, so now we do the crossing. So that's worth a mark if you put it into sequence. And now we just simply get rid of 1, 1, 1. Just give you a bit of room here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we're left with 0.35 times 2. If I add those together, it's going to be 0.7. If I divide it by 2, it's going to come back to 0.35. Okay, so that's the second mark. Now, the mean. For mean, we have to add these all up again to give us our average. So 0.15 plus 0.17 plus 0.22 plus 0.22 plus 0.35 plus 0.35 plus 0.35 plus 0.38 plus 0.62 plus 10.28. Now hopefully I haven't made a mistake because I'm rushing, but our total was 13.09. That will give you a mark. 13.09 divided by entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divide that by 10. So on my calculator, divide that by 10 entries equals 1.3. Now most of our things are going to be to 2 decimal places. If I look at my calculator, put up the gate, okay, 0 becomes 1 because the 9 pushes that 1, okay, for an extra mark. So there's our 3 marks there. Now, question C, explain why the mean, so the average, is inaccurate. Now, if I look at all of these data, there's 0 point, but then I've got one number here, 10. So if the average is 1.31, but every number is way below, it's not even a whole number, this outlier has pushed up the average. So we want to use the keyword outlier of 10.28 has had an effect on the mean. Okay, moving it up. So keyword outlier.